win the series against mighty West Indies. Sorry, I should say depleted West Indies side give away 30 ODI Super League point to Bangladesh as a gift. West Indies Cricket Board took this series lightly for various reasons. Due to pandemic, their main team was absent and they paid the price heavily. But as a fan of Bangladesh cricket, we need to think deeply not only about this concluded series but also the possible future of Bangladesh team, and some of the decision management has taken and need to be answered and asked. In this series, fans have high hope from these teams and they certainly meet the expectation. Liton Das is a wonderful player, talented, but somehow failed in this series. I wouldn't judge him on the basis of this series. He can overcome this situation because he has the capabilities. Nadmul Hassan Shanto, BCB has invested heavily on him and wanted to promote him as a number three because he showed glimpses in domestic cricket about his capabilities, but it seems international cricket in different ponds from him. But I think selector will back him for at least a year for the sake of Bangladesh future. Tamim Iqbal is consistent, but he should have scored 100 today, though his slow strike rate remained constant threat for Bangladesh cricket. Shakib Al Hasan back in the team played his part in this series, scored some runs, took wicket, and create a big impact. Same goes to Mushfiqur Rahim. He played well in this series, scored some runs, and played a vital role. Now come to Mahmudullah Riyad. Mahmudullah Riyad is a senior player, played some crucial knock for Bangladesh, but I think his times are up because I don't think he will create impact against big team, though he scored 100 against some of the big teams. But I I think Afif Hossain at number 6 is a better option than Mahmudullah Riyad for the sake of future. Afif, he's a talented, dynamic player. Scored some runs in T20. He can bowl and bat. And Soumya Sarkar at number 7 went wrong. I think team management should rethink that decision. He should open. He is not a number 7 player. Mohammad Saifuddin, someone who can bat this position and score quick run and bowl for you in power play and death over, and add varieties in this team, and team management should invest on him. He played well in this last World Cup, and BCB should invest on him. Mehdi Hassan Miraz took wicket, but you have to remember this is a depleted West Indies side. So his place in in this 11 are need to be asked because I don't think he's a better one day player than Sheikh Mahdi Hassan. He's a talented player. He needs to be nurtured, and Mustafiz bowled well in this series, and along with Hassan Mahmood, he's a very promising bowler. He can bowl at consistent pace and create impact, and I think Mustafiz and Hassan can play a big role in Bangladesh cricket. And someone like Shoriful, he is a new guy, didn't get the chance in this team, in this series, but he can play a big role along with Mustafiz and Hassan. Rubel Hossain played one match but didn't create impact. But the same goes to Taskin Ahmed. I don't think these two create a big impact for future. So what lies ahead in Bangladesh for Bangladesh? I think New Zealand. New Zealand is a place where Bangladesh are always struggle, and record in New Zealand for Bangladesh are dismal, facing Bolt, who is a number one bowler, along with Saudi, is a good swing bowler. Jamieson, new sensation, uh, is a will be tough for us. Will be tough for us and challenging for this team. And Kane Williamson have a settled team, and his team will welcome Bangladesh with a typical way of New Zealand, green top, uh, with a lot of fast bowler, rib cage bouncer at a west height, and all those things we will see in New Zealand, and we will be tested. And if Bangladesh overcome this challenge, it will good for us. But I don't think I don't think we will overcome. We will struggle for sure. Then we may face the harsh reality as usual. But against New Zealand, well-equipped New Zealand side, if we beat them at least a ODI, it will help us to get qualified directly, and it will be a huge boost for the cricket. So, so as a fan, we need to be hopeful and be realistic. Let's hope Bangladesh team do well in New Zealand.